Here we have a 2018 68 plate BMW 320d M Sport XDRIVE Shadow Edition. Now this vehicle does come with 4 superb, unscratched, unmarked 19-inch alloy wheels in gloss black with the M Sport brake calipers just hiding behind. Now we do have the LED headlights as well as the black hidden grills, full M Sport styling kit, so you do get the black front splitter, side skirt extensions, rear boot spoiler and also a rear diffuser. Now we do have the black window trim as well as the black wing mirrors, privacy glass on the rear, and we also have the shark fin antenna. Now as you can see we do have that rear boot spoiler. The rear does make this car stand out from the rest. Now we do have rear parking sensors with dual exit exhaust flush with the rear bumper and also the rear diffuser. Now as you can see we do have the XDRIVE and the 320d badging on the rear just there as well. Now this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and rear does look superb from every angle. Now if we go to the rear, I'll show you bits of the interior. Now as you can see we do have full Dakota leather throughout with ISOFIX points, leather armrests in the centre. We also have storage nets to behind the driver and passenger seat. We have your electric windows with your gloss black trim. We also have your integrated Harman Kardon speakers. I'll go into the front. There's a look at the driver's full Dakota leather front seat, which is extremely comfortable with the extended 5-sport, and it's also heated. On the doors you do have your electric windows and again your integrated Harman Kardon speakers. Jumping inside the car, down there you have your auto lights. Foot on the brake, we do have keyless start there as well. Now as you can see this vehicle is free from any warning lights on the dashboard and is covered just over 35,700 miles. Now we do have a multi-function steering wheel with paddle shift if we stick the car into manual mode, and you also have cruise control and speed limiter just there. Now we do have the auto high beam assist there as well. You also auto wipers. You have your satellite navigation screen just in the centre, where we can find DAB radio. Scroll across, you have FM, AM, CD, Bluetooth audio and also USB. You have Bluetooth phone connectivity there as well. Back to map and also navigation. Now we do have different drive modes where we do have Eco Pro, Comfort, Sport and also Sports Plus, and you can also see your sport displays just there, so you've got the kilowatts and newton meters of torque that you're currently using. Now pop it into reverse, you can see the rear parking sensor just there. Now coming back off that and coming down there, you have your dual zone climate control, which works just as you would expect it to, as you can see just there. We have 2 heated front seats, which again work exactly how you would expect them to. It's a very nice addition to this vehicle when on those cold winter mornings. It really does make the difference. You have storage tray just down there. Pop this open, you have 2 nice sized cup holders with 12-volt connectivity. Traction control on and off as well as your drive mode select. Piano black trim all around this vehicle, which is a very nice addition. And this is what you use to control everything that happens on your screen. Soft touch leather armrest which moves forward and back to suit your driving position. And there's a look at the passenger's full Dakota leather front seat. Now this vehicle is available to drive away today with free nationwide next day delivery. It's HPI clear, comes with fresh service, new MOT, and we do offer competitive finance. Thank you very much for watching.